In the age of social media, platforms like TikTok have revolutionized the way we interact with content and, more importantly, how we make money online. TikTok's popularity has grown exponentially, and with it, the opportunities for users to monetize their presence on the platform. And such avenue is through TikTok Shop Affiliate, a unique and exciting way to earn income. In this video, we will explore how you can leverage TikTok Shop Affiliate to make up to USD $1,000. TikTok Shop Affiliate is an affiliate marketing program that allows users to earn commissions by promoting and selling products from various online stores or brands. Essentially, you partner with e-commerce businesses, promote their products on your TikTok account, and earn a percentage of the sales generated through your unique affiliate links. Here's how to get started. Select a niche that aligns with your interests, expertise, and your TikTok audience. It's important to pick a niche you are passionate about, as it will make creating content more enjoyable and authentic. Popular niches on TikTok include fashion, beauty, tech, fitness, and life. Consistently create engaging content that resonates with your target audience. Be authentic, connect with your viewers, and grow your followers. A larger, engaged audience will provide you with a better chance of generating sales. Research and join affiliate programs that are relevant to your niche. Look for programs that offer competitive commission rates and high-quality products. Many e-commerce platforms and brands have their own affiliate programs, or you can use affiliate networks like Amazon Associates, ShareASale, or CG Affiliate. Develop content that showcases the products you are promoting in a creative and informative way. Use your unique affiliate links in the video description or comments so that viewers can easily access the products. Engage with your audience by responding to comments, conducting giveaways, or asking for their opinions. The more you interact with your followers, the more likely they are to trust your recommendations and make purchases through your affiliate links. Keep track of the performance of your affiliate marketing efforts. Most affiliate programs provide detailed analytics that show the number of clicks, conversions, and commissions earned. Use this data to refine your strategy and focus on what works best. Earning a substantial income from TikTok Shop Affiliate takes time and persistence. It may not happen overnight, but with dedication, it is entirely possible to reach the USD $1,000 per week goal. Stay up to date with TikTok's algorithms and trends to ensure your content remains relevant and discoverable. Diversify your content by experimenting with different formats like product reviews, tutorials, unboxings, and collaborations with other TikTok creators. Always disclose your affiliate relationship transparently to build trust with your audience. Don't compromise your authenticity by promoting products you don't genuinely believe in or that don't align with your niche.